Greetings and peace. Let's talk about meditation and tarot. I'm going to be using a meditation ball for this, and this is not even mine, but I'm going to use it because it's here in the office. This meditation ball helps us to meditate and basically measure the breathing that we're doing along with tarot. So what I would do, I would grab a tarot deck, any tarot deck. I'm going to use my Morgan Greer tarot deck. Let's use that one. Okay, so I've got a tarot deck here. I'm going to set my crystal on top of it, and I'm going to meditate with my tarot deck. And I'm going to do that so that way I can have a stronger connection with my tarot deck. Meditation is only being aware, being obscure, being in the moment, and just breathing. That's basically meditation and relaxing. So I would close my eyes, and I'm going to help you breathe. And I want you to breathe with me here. I'm putting my hands here. You don't have to have this to do meditation because I don't use it. But breathe in. As you're breathing in, your stomach is expanding. And you're breathing out through the nose. Your mouth is closed, so breathe in. Breathing out. Now, with meditation, you may notice when you eat and you have food on your stomach that it's kind of hard for you to get all that good breath and breathing in. Why? Because your stomach can't go out like it needs to and open up and expand. It can't collect as much air as much as it could if you didn't have any food in there. So for that reason, I always say it's good to not eat within like an hour, 2 hours of time before you do your meditation so you can really get that air in, because oxygen is what it is. That's it. Yes, your foundation. If you don't have that, then you don't have life. So let's breathe. In. Out. The only reason why you hear me breathing is I want you to know what's going on. Otherwise, your breathing is going to be silent. But do what you can do. Don't strain yourself. Don't hurt yourself. It shouldn't hurt. Just breathe in and then just let it out. Let that air just slide out. And you're kind of guiding it out, but you can let it out. So breathe in. In. Hold it. Out. Out. So meditation. You meditate, you breathe, you got your deck there. You can put your hand on top of your deck. You can put your deck in your lap. Be careful not to drop your crystal on your feet. You'll never want to do that. I've never done it. You don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. So yeah, have your crystal there. Put your hand on your cards. You can hold your cards and do your meditation as well without any sort of tools. So sit your cards in your hands. Close your eyes. Breathe in. In through the nose. Out. Through the nose. So yeah, you just take your time breathing in and out and enjoying that flow of oxygen, of prana. One thing that I love doing when I'm doing my meditations is sometimes I'll do hand mudras. So one that I like to do is prana mudra, where you take your fingers and put them like in the peace sign. And I'm a yoga teacher, so these are like actual hand positions that I use. And then I put my fingers over my two smaller fingers. My thumb is over those nails. My fingers are open. And then I breathe. In. Out. My heart's connected to my tarot cards, which are right here, sitting in front of me. But yes, be aware, breathe. You can have one card sitting in front of you where you say, well, what type of message does this card have for me? And meditate on the card while you're looking at it. And then close your eyes Close your eyes, open your eyes, but be aware and look at the colors and just get into being with the card and seeing what comes through. When you're done, you'll have some insight. Write down your messages. If you're meditating with the cards, you may have some insights. Write them down in your journal. So yeah, I'm going to go, and thank you so much for meditating with me with tarot, and we'll talk soon. What do you enjoy about working with tarot and doing readings with tarot and meditating? Let me know. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.